Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So, for my active fans, my active followers who have been watching my short and my other posts, we noticed that I've been offline, and due to I went for my daddy's burial, but right now we are back. So today we want to take you from Onitsha Head Bridge down to MCC to show you what the road is currently looking like. So right now we are the MCC junction, and this is the flyover, the pedestrian bridge around that place. I want to promise you guys that I will do a video of all these pedestrian bridge within this MCC, the one at Ebuka at Obwefele axis, and the one at Oga Junction. So, but unfortunately, I wanted to do it today, but I wasn't able to because of what I saw. I saw a lot of beggars on that bridge, and I don't want to show their face, and I don't want a situation where I'll have to blur them. It seems like they somebody shared them food today, so the place is a bit busy, including people are using the bridge also today. So I decided not to make the video again, rather show you the looks of the express from that side to the Onitsha bridge, because I'll be honest with you guys, I find some certain things that is very very unpleasant. And I know after this video, those who still misunderstand it will still come on that section, under my comment section, to talk whatever they want, but I don't care though. So this is Onitsha Oka, or should I say Onitsha Enugu Expressway. This is the current looks. There was a time I would say this road are being swept, like they sweep the road before, not in this regime, not the other regime, but at least I can remember during the time of P2B, they used to sweep this road. And I think also, at first tunnel of Ubiano, I think they are also sweeping this road back then. But right now, this road is in a mess. Like sand has covered everywhere. Honestly, forget the fact that I'm not using a very good camera, but I am hoping that I will get a good camera very soon, with time. So, but I can be honest with you guys, this road is in absolute mess, and some section of it is going bad every day. The drainage system around this road, some of them are very very bad, especially those ones around the should I say before Obuko Junction, and the rest of them, starting from that Obuko Junction heading down to Bridgehead. All those ones are very very bad, like they have been filled up and no cleaning is happening around there, like they just leave everything that way. If you go there, you understand what I'm saying. So another thing I want to show you guys in this video, which I did a little slow motion there because I wanted to come down to film it properly, but I kinda in a haste, so I decided to film it that way. So, but I did a slow motion on it, so when you should get there, you will see by yourself. So in front of that Obogo, they have started again. Those who supposed to be taking out those waste products are nowhere to be found, and they have dumped enough refuse around there. Like the thing keep rising every day. If you go there, once we get there, you see everything for yourself. And they are forgetting the fact that in front of the place we are talking about is where medicines human beings are taking are being sold, and that thing is kept like that. Nobody's coming to come and pick them up, and nobody will see it now to call those who are in charge to come and take them out. So my question is, the environmental law they say they are implementing, I don't know where that environmental law is taking place, or are they just implementing it on those who are throwing bottled waters from vehicle, and those maybe urinating anyhow or something. Those dumping sites in front of market, who are those in charge to take them out? That's a question that I asked. So once we get there, you see it. So this is it, guys. You can see. So very very bad, very 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 bad, absolute very bad. Like if you are looking at it, if you go down, if assuming that I go down from this vehicle, you will see enough of it. The thing is very very huge, like the should I say the big pan or a truck or whatever they call it they provided. Two of them has been filled up and they didn't come to move them, and now they are dumping it on the ground, and the ground has already been filled up. If we pass through there, it's very very smelly and nobody is coming there to touch them. So I also decided to film this Onitsha bridgehead. I decided to film it to make the video a bit longer, and for you guys to also see the how the bridge is looking like on Sundays. So this side I'm currently working on, I think is a site where the Okada riders used to follow during business days. This place used to be very very busy, but today is Sunday, so, and being Easter, everybody is relaxing. So very soon I will cross to the other side where keke riders also follow too. So this is the side where the keke riders also follow. And one thing I noticed when I was exploring this particular route is that I noticed that these roads are becoming dilapidated. The asphalting they did there is becoming dilapidated, and nobody is coming to touch them. But let's just hope that one day they will still remember that section and do another asphalting around there. So over there is the second Niger bridge. I don't have a very beautiful camera or maybe a bigger phone to do the proper zooming, but this is all I could capture. So this looks of the bridge on Sunday, and not just on Sunday. Today is Easter, so it's very very dry today, very very dry today. On normal Sundays at least you'll be seeing some human being passing somehow, but keke riders don't used to apply on them on Sundays, so it used to be dry like this even if it's not on Easter. So they don't used to apply except Okada riders. So this is the looks of the things, the bridgehead every Sundays. So this looks of everything. So for those who are still not aware, this bridge used to be very very shaky whenever heavy truck are applying on them. If you are standing on this bridge and heavy truck is approaching, you will notice that the bridge will be shaking very very well. This is one of the bridge that I've seen and I so much like there's no way motor we fell inside river from this bridge. There's no way. Like, the bridge is fully protected. It's fully protected. This is one of the bridges I love, even though is now old. It's now old, and it's a kind of tiny from the ones they are constructing today. But this is one of the if I should say strongest, or maybe one of the strongly built bridge that we have around this area. So guys, we will be bringing you other updates, but I want to use this opportunity to beg you guys. I'm trying my best to stop filming any government project, because a lot of people don't want to hear the truth. Anytime you film any project or film anything concerning this way, some of the politicians defendants will come for you, looking for some certain things that are not there. So I'm trying to shift a bit from this covering some of these projects. Let those who know how to do it continue with it. Let me just switch fully to my travel content. So let me inform you guys, in case if you stop seeing me or stop seeing government project regularly on my channel. So just know that we have moved on from there. So kindly subscribe to the channel, click on the like button. Bye.